We at Shiv Shakti Low Haudyog have created efficient and reliable post-fixing machine. Presenting the all-new post-fixer SS4395. We optimized machine performance based on changing demand of operator and application. Machine comes with left and right movement approx 460 millimeters. Our machine have inside and outside movement of approx 700 millimeters. Machine can tilt back and forth approx 22 degrees. Machine can tilt right and left approx 8 to 10 degrees. Our machine can easily install post up to 2800 millimeters. So power your business with the new post fixer SS4395. We Shiv Shakti Low Haudyog focus on quality.